everybody, welcome to Excel video 424. I'm Nate Moore. I was helping a group the other day. When we were pulling some QA data, it turned out that the provider that was on the claim was not necessarily the provider that was associated with each charge. There was trouble with data coming over from the EMR and posting correctly in the practice management system, and they had issues. And what we were able to do is quickly pull them a list of here's all the claims where the provider on the claim is different than the provider on the charge, and they're able to go in and fix it and solve it. If you're worried about the way your EMR is auto-posting to your PM and you want to validate it, I'd love to help you. Speaking of quality and auditing and whatever, I've got a bunch of random names here of patients. And let's say what I want to do is for whatever QA test I'm doing, I want to test every third patient. They're not alphabetical order or any other order in this list. So we just want to randomly go through and test every third patient, and I want to choose who to test. What I can do is write a little macro to do that. Here's my subroutine. It's called skip loop, and we're going to build on what we did last time in Excel video 423, and here's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the variable just because. We're going to make it b. For b equals 1 to 30. So instead of going 1 to 8, we're going to go to 1 to 30. But notice I'm going to step 3, which means I'm going to count by 3s. I'm going to go 3, 6, 9 instead of 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. The next thing I'm going to do is where I have cells B1, I'm going to change, instead of changing the value of the cell, I'm going to change the color of the cell to the color index 40, which is a light shading color. And then notice the third piece of the puzzle. I'm going to change the cell next door. So B is my variable. So I'm going to go 1 to 4 to 7 to 10. When I get to that, I'm going to change row B, column 2. So I'm going to highlight the first column, change the color of the second column, and then I did my little breakpoint here so you can watch it go. And the other thing I did that's different than Excel video 423 is I just dragged the watch window up here so you could see what's going on. So that said, let's run this baby. So you can see that first B starts as 1, and because of step 3, now it's 4, now it's 7, now it's 10, 13, and if we come back over here and watch it go, there's 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. We're shading column A, we're putting test this in column B, based on this code. So we'll just keep running. And then when I run out, I've hit 30. I've run out of patients to test. Run out of rows. I've hit 30 now. I've got my 10 patients to test. The problem is that I still have patients, and what I need is a way to not have to know before I run every macro how many times I want to go or how long my list is. It'd be great to have a way at the start of the macro to figure out how many names are in your list, Nate. And if you want to test every third one, I can do it for you. You don't have to go count every time, especially if the list changes. We'll make it easy for you. We'll take that piece of logic. We'll do it in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.